Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So when you take a look on the screen for the first time, you will find this kind of the protection. It's very thin foil. You can remove this foil by using your fingernails, so basically input your nail underneath under this foil, but you can also leave it on the screen and apply on it the tempered glass, so it will improve protection of your screen. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So we are going to apply tempered glass on this foil. You have to grab the box with the tempered glass. Inside you will find the glass and also two wipes, wet and the dry. So right now we are start from the wet wipe. You have to remember to get good lighting condition, like in my case, to see every mess that you have on the display. It's very important. Right now we can open this wipe and clean screen. You can start from the bottom, for example, and after a few moves our screen is in a really good condition. But right now we have to remove all of these wet marks. So grab the dry wipe and just do the same. Okay, and right now, when we are sure that everything is fine with the display, we have to grab this tempered glass and we have to focus at the first on the sticker. We have to remove it, so grab it like that and remove it gently. In my case, the sticker is not going with this foil that is attached right here, so I have to remove this foil manually without using this sticker. How to make it? Take a look. You can start from one of the edge and put your fingernail right here. And there it is. I hope that you can see it right now. So normally when you grab this sticker right here, this foil will also follow. But in my case, unfortunately, it's not happened, so I'm gonna remove it manually. As you can see, it's not that hard. So if you have the same problem, don't worry, you can make it. Right now we have to keep the glass right like that. At the first we are going to start with applying glass from the upper section. So put this upper section of the tempered glass on your display, just like that, and keep holding the bottom part. You have to be sure that glass is applied correctly for the both edges. In my case, everything is fine. So right now, I'm gonna put my finger right here in the middle and I'm gonna try to put the bottom part correctly. Okay, everything is fine, so I'm gonna put the bottom part. And take a look, right now, we can press right here and it will go automatically, as you can see. Oh, sorry, because the slides are just losing focus of the camera. But right now, as you can see, we got bubbles, so how to remove them? Just press with your finger or fingernail to one of the edge and just remove it. The same with this one. And that's all. Right now, we have to remove these marks. They are under the glass and it's the rest of the glue. So grab the dry wipe and then just simply press on a very glue mark. Okay, and right now it's finished. Right now we can turn on the phone. Okay, it looks like this phone is out of the battery, so I'm unable to turn it on. Unfortunately, I cannot turn this phone, but there is how you can apply the tempered glass on this phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.